Hi everybody, this is a really quick amendment video to accompany my Crochet Fan Lace Scarf. Now in the main video tutorial that I have on my channel, I have made a little tiny error in it. Now please note this error is purely cosmetic. It does not affect the pattern at all. You can follow that video, you can make your scarf, and you would never know there was an issue. Now the only issue is that I did not connect one point of a petal. So all you have is it overlapping slightly rather than being more rigid and structured. Now, if you prefer this slightly more drapey, flappy version, then fantastic. You don't even need to watch any more of this video. However, if you did want the more structured version, which matches the written pattern on my website, then I am going to show you super quickly now what that amendment is. Now, the amendment is so quick, it's taken me longer to talk about than it's going to take to show you. Now, that amendment falls on the second row of your second motif. And right at the end of row 2 on the second motif, the video tells you to stop at this point with your final double crochet. Then in the video, you chain 1, turn, and you make your little petals. However, to structure join them at the end of row 2 on your second motif, chain 3, and then the petal from the motif below will be sitting right next to you. And in between the chain 3 and the double crochet of that petal, pop a single crochet stitch. That's all there is to it. That is all the amendment is. From that point on, you continue exactly how it's shown in this first video. You chain 1, you turn, and you make your petals. So with a double crochet into that space, chain 3, and 6 double crochets around the post. Now I'm going to do a couple of motifs so it matches my original sample, and then I can show you the difference in just a moment. And then it is up to you which version you want to go ahead and make, because really it's just a cosmetic difference. So I'll see you in just a second. So there we go. This is the slight difference, just joining at these points. Rather than having a slight overlap, you have a very structured flatness to it. So let me know actually which you prefer. Do you like the structured, rigid, flat version? Or are you a fan of the accidental, flappy version? Both are very pretty, both will work, and it is totally personal preference which you choose. So I will see you again soon in my next video, which I can assure you has 0 errors. Bye!